What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something pretty exciting because I'm gonna be trying Rihanna Fenty Hair care line. I'm super excited for this one, so let's get into it. The first thing I started with was the shampoo. I really like the bottle because one, it's really aesthetic. But I'm not gonna lie, it was so hard pressing into it. I don't know if because my hand was already wet, but I had to use all my strength to get this one out. But first off, I did not expect the shampoo to feel so hydrating. I was so impressed. It lattered on so quickly. Like, look at it. It was super crazy. And if you know me by now, you know I had to go in with my scalp scrub because this is one of my favorite things about washing my hair. Just get in there and scrub all the dirt off my scalp. I usually have to do 2 shampoo on my wash day, but I felt like my hair was clean enough, which was a yay for me. Next, I went with their Reacher One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. And let me tell you, I truly believe this is definitely the star of the show. It's super thick and my hair loved it. Okay? And I really enjoy using it, and the smell to me was everything. And you know, I love smelling stuff, so I was just like, I could smell this all day. I went in with my detangling brush just to detangle my hair. I really try to use pre-poo before my wash day, but I felt like with this product, it really helped detangle my hair. Like, it wasn't that bad at all. I mean, look at those curls. I was like impressed, okay? This is all I'm gonna say. This is all the shedding that I did, which is nothing compared to my previous washes. So I was really not mad at it. My hair felt super soft and shiny after it, and honestly, I felt like I could have stopped right there. But I still went ahead with their conditioner, and you can see me struggling to get it out. I use all my strength. I'm not even trying to kid. But to be honest, I feel like I didn't need the conditioner, or I didn't see the conditioner do the work that it's supposed to, just because the repair cream did such a good job. Like, I don't know. I would have to use the conditioner by itself to see its wonder because I felt like the cream did most of the part. But I really like the slip. I really like how I was able to just get the brush through my curls. This is me doing a dancey dance because I was really impressed with those washes. Look at my curls. Look at how they thrive. I definitely will have to use the conditioner by itself to see, because right now my favorite product is still the repair cream. I also like how my hair felt super soft but not weighed down because all the products are super light. So after trying all 3 products for the first time, I have to say I'm impressed. I went in not knowing if this was going to be more hype than result, but my hair feels clean, moisturized, and lightweight. Definitely see myself reaching for that cream more often. If you've been debating whether to try Fenty Hair, I said it's worth giving it a shot, especially if your hair tends to get dry or if you want products that feel luxurious without being too heavy. Rihanna did her thing with this launch. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment if you try Fenty Hair yet. Bye!